Hi, thank you for joining me in this video. I want to share how I make chocolate farmer's cheese bars. This was my favorite treat as a child. It's filled with protein, calcium, and it's homemade, so let's get started. In my previous video, I was sharing how I make farmer's cheese at home from 2 ingredients, milk and kefir. I will leave a link below. So you will need 4 cups of farmer's cheese, 3/4 of a cup of powdered sugar. Mix farmer's cheese, powdered sugar, and 3 spoons of cream cheese. I'm using hand blender to make one smooth, even batter, but any food processor will work too. For my chocolate ganache, I'll be adding some dark chocolate chips, butter, and milk. Melt it and add some milk until you reach this very smooth liquidy structure. Here I'm adding more butter, and at the end you should have very smooth liquidy chocolate ganache. And I was using microwave to warm up and melt my chocolate. Simply brush the chocolate onto the silicone mold. I will link the one I use in description below. Put the mold in refrigerator for 5 minutes to harden the chocolate. Fill the mold with farmer's cheese, but you do want to leave some room on top to cover it with chocolate later. And this is important. You want to put the bars in freezer for about 30 minutes before covering them with chocolate. Because if you'll skip this step, your bars will look like this instead of that. So here I have slightly frozen farmer's cheese. And when I put the chocolate, it will harden and won't slide off the cheese. Cool it off in the freezer for about 15 minutes and enjoy!